welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. As you can see, I have a new hairstyle. It's giving me very much luster, very much highlight. This wig is brought to you by Wiggins Hair Company. So of course I'm going to show you what's inside the box, how I customize this wig, as well as how I apply this wig using no glue whatsoever. So this is a glueless install method. So if you're wondering more information about this hair and how I apply this wig, then stay tuned. Bye. Wiggins provided some goodies inside this box, which came with a satin wig bag as well as faux mink lashes, 2 pairs to be exact. It also came with a wig cap, an elastic band, and also a head wrap for your wig. So this wig is a highlighted body wave lace frontal wig at 24 inches, a cap size medium with adjustable straps and combs. It is also 180% density. This wig is very thick at 180% density. In my opinion, the front of the lace is very thick, so you will have to pluck a lot out if you're trying to have a natural hairline. So I ended up bleaching the knots, and now I'm going to pluck this unit. See how thick this hairline is? It did take me about 30 to 40 minutes to pluck this frontal, which I didn't mind. So what I like to do is part the baby hairs first and then start working behind that parting. This is Arrogant Tay's method, and ever since I seen that video, I've been going ham with the white towel and then plucking. It just makes plucking easier and you can actually see what you're doing. So I don't know if you guys can see the before and after, like it kind of low-key looks a little similar. This is halfway through, so I'm definitely going to keep on plucking, and I'll see you after this step is done. So you guys, I'm just going to let you vibe out to the music while you watch me install this wig. I'll butt in every now and then if I do need to clarify the glueless install method. I know y'all was vibing, but this spray right here is the truth. This is where I do my glueless installs. This spray is very tough, but also great on the skin. All you need is water to remove, but let me tell you, it lasts about 2 days with just this spray alone. So definitely get your hands on this. If you don't have this, use Got to Be Glue Blast Free Spray. It works the same, but not as better as this Wig Dealer spray. So I'm gonna continue to let you vibe out.
This town is quiet. Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good, good till we act right. So tell me what we on the day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share.
So you guys, I did a glueless install. I wanted to show you how to do a really fast install method without using any harsh glues that you might be sensitive to. So that this is just another way to apply a wig. It won't last as long, but honey, that Wig Dealer spray did what needed to be done, because honey, it's still on there It's still laid, baby hair is still laid. So overall, I love this style of the wig. At first I wasn't too sure, because if you've been watching me for a while, I love ashy colors on my skin, and this is more of like a yellow tint, so I wasn't too sure about this hair, but it came out beautiful. I added some layers. The hair is thick, so you will have to do some elbow grease when plucking this unit. This unit still looks a little thick, but overall it's bomb. I know it's gonna last a long time. This unit is super long, super thick, perfect for sizing. I had enough room around the ears, which that is like something I look forward to with companies, if they give a lot of lace around the ear area to customize, and they surely did. This color is beautiful on me. I love the highlights. I just love everything about this wig. I know it's gonna last a long time. And that's basically it. I can't stop looking at myself. I can't stop touching this hair, y'all. This hair is gorgeous. The luster, it's a chef's kiss, okay? Curls are falling a little bit, but that is not a problem at all. I just love how luscious this hair is. So I'm done talking. That's all my overall thoughts on this wig. It's A+ for me across the board. That's basically it, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.
Faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add